Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole Dionne, and today I'm going to show you how to wear magnetic lashes. So when I first tried these magnetic lashes, I wasn't too sure about them. I did a trial video and shared my opinion about it, and I didn't have a very good review because I missed one helpful tip, and I'm going to share it with you. Is apply mascara first and then your magnetic lashes. So I bought accent lashes. So my natural lashes aren't very full. When they come into that inner corner, they get really sparse and there's just not a lot of lashes for the magnets to stick to. So I had bought the wispies, which are the longest pair in the Ardell brand, and I cut them to actually fit about that inner part of my eye, so I didn't have them go all the way over. Where my eyelashes got meatier, that's where I cut it, and they work perfectly. Today I forgot to wear them to work, so I went to CVS, and it's a $13.99 price point. So I bought these, and they didn't have the wispies that I wanted, but they had these accents. So I haven't put these particular ones on, and they're a little bit shorter than I would personally cut them myself. And they're not as dramatic as I would like them to be either, but hey, this works for the video. So it says upper and lower, and we'll just pull them off. So with the upper, what I like to do is just place it on my lash line, okay? And with the lower, I take this from underneath and then I hook it together, okay? So I don't typically use tweezers because they're magnetic. If you can have a plastic pair of tweezer-like things, that would work. But I place it here, and then I bring this one underneath, and voila, it's that simple. If you don't wear mascara with it and you don't have really thick textured eyelashes, then they can slip off, and that's what the problem I was having when I gave them a try for the first time. And then a friend of mine mentioned that the back of the box states that it will help if you use a little bit of mascara first to give it some grip, and that totally makes sense, right? I just dropped my second eyelash. Let me grab that really quick. Okay, I found it. All right, so let's do that again on the other side, and you know what? I'm actually really loving the look of these lashes. Aren't they gorgeous? So you'll just take the upper. I don't know which one was upper. Oops, I hope I didn't mess it up. Let me see. Oh, you know what? I really don't think you can mess it up. Let me see if they actually look any different. Do they? They really don't. So, okay, I'm gonna just say this one's the upper. And let's go up. And you're gonna put it like right where you would put your eyeliner. And then you take the lower, and see, I'm holding it like this, and you go at an angle, and they'll just snap together. And actually these little accents feel more magnetic than the original ones that I bought. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. They give me a little bit of a extended lash look. I've been using the wispies, and I usually just put them on every day after I put on mascara. Make sure you let your mascara dry, and then you just pop them on. And I have reused them for about a week and a half now, and now I have a new pair of little accents, and actually I love these because they have a little bit of a lift on the end. The ones I was wearing, the wispies, if you're familiar with it, they're like longer in the center and then they fan out and get shorter on each side. But these have a little bit of a lift. Isn't that gorgeous? So if you've been curious about the magnetic lashes, they work. I haven't tried expensive ones. I just got these at CVS. They're $13.99. So they are totally worth the investment to try it, because you're not gonna spend very much money. And if you love them, maybe you can try more expensive ones, but I don't know if that's even necessary, because Ardell has been around forever and a day, and they are not sponsoring this by any means, but they've been around forever, and I think they're kind of the lash company of lash companies. I love their glue-on lashes, and I'm really loving their magnetic lashes. All right, you guys, I hope you give this a try. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.